Brunson talks about this thing called funnel stacking. It's about stacking funnels on top of each other to speak to different awareness levels throughout your customer journey. A phenomenal way that we have been doing this for our clients is I really only follow two different funnel strategies. I follow the event model as one, and then the book a call. I like these two because with the book a call model, we can use this and generate as many leads as possible. And then what we can do over time is as we accumulate the leads here, we actually can, stack the event funnel on the back end of that one. And what this allows us to do is change up the way that customers come through the buyer's journey, the customer journey. And when we do it that way, what we can start to do is the people that didn't end up booking their call, applying, or finishing the funnel process here, we can move them into the event funnel model, which allows us to, again, change up that customer journey. And when you start changing stuff up like that, you can start meeting your customers where they're at. And the reason why I say book a call funnel first is because with a book a call, you really don't need to have a ton of authority in your industry. You can create a simple opt-in page that goes to a video page, that goes to a calendar page, that goes to the confirmation page. And because they're opting in here, they're going to the video page, this is where you build authority. It's a free training. It's something that they don't have to pay upfront for in order to really, start that conversation with you and start really engaging with your brand. Now they come here, they watch the video, they don't end up going there, which means they just don't end up booking that call. What we can do now is, let's say industry average, we're at about a 35% opt-in rate. We're at a 5% book rate, which means you have 100 people hit that page, you have 35 leads, and at 5% of the people booking, I think that would be about 6 booked calls, which would, that's not bad. But, there's 29 people that are still here that showed interest, but they just didn't take that next step. So what do? You nurture them through email. You continue to push them to book their call. They still don't take action. They still don't do what you want them to do. So what next? Do you send them a lead magnet? Do you send them to another webinar? Do you try to, sell them a low-ticket course? The issue with low-ticket courses isn't that they're not valuable. It's that, they're not valuable enough for people to actually, care about going through it. How many times have you purchased a course for $97 or less and just didn't do the work? You might have logged in the day you got it, went through a couple videos, but you just never went back and finished it. The statistics are only 3% of the people that purchase an online course actually go through, finish it, and then go on to become successful doing what they are, learning to do. We take these 29 people and we say, hey, we're doing a 3-day event. It's $27. And we're going to teach you our entire philosophy. Where day 1, we're going to teach you step 1 of our coaching offer or our training. For one of our clients, it was package, present, and profit. So day one, they taught them how to package their service. Day two, they talked about present, like packaged codified offer to the marketplace. Number three, and profit from it. Because if you don't have an offer and you don't know how to, present it to the marketplace, you're not going to profit. So it's just what we like to call the tiptoe method, where each day is just one step closer down the buyer's journey to that finish line and them getting a really big result. And the reason is why we start with the book a call funnel first is because we're building up that authority, we're building that list, we're nurturing that list. So that way when we go to launch this event, when we launch it to the list, you have a ton of people that are already ready to purchase and actually start learning from you more in depth. So just to quickly recap, there's two funnel models that we like to follow when it comes to funnel stacking. That is starting with the book a call funnel and stacking up the event. And again, the reason why we do it in this order is because to really have a super successful event, where we've had clients that have sold over 1,000 tickets for their virtual event and went on to do over $380,000, $400,000 on the back end. In order to really do this to its full potential, it does need a little bit of authority in your marketplace. At least authority with a list full of people, which you are generating right here. So that way you can push them into your event if they don't book the call and they don't close on your high ticket. If you want me and my team to help you build this entire process out, from the book a call funnel all the way to the event funnel, plus, we'll run your ads on YouTube. We will manage your email list. We will build a holistic solution to generate you not only 20 to 30 sales calls per week, but also put the back-end systems and the other funnels in place to convert as many of these people as possible into paying clients. All you gotta do is find the link in the description and book your call with me. And I hope you got some value out of this. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share this with somebody. The more people that can see this, that are coaches and info product businesses, the more businesses we can help, scale predictably and profitably at scale.